Welcome back to A320 Knowledge, your trusted source for Airbus expertise. Today, we're diving into the wheel system display page. Now, to display any SD page onto the ECAM, we must use the ECAM control panel. And to display the wheel SD page, we can go ahead and press the wheel push button. Let's go through each part of the SD page one by one. The wheel SD page is the default page for taxi until takeoff thrust set and during landing. It appears on landing when below 800 feet on the radio altimeter or when the landing gear is selected down. The spoilers and speed brakes are indicated at the top of the page. Green dashes indicate they are retracted. Green triangles indicate they are extended, and the spoilers are deflected by at least 2.5 degrees. Amber triangles indicate they are extended and faulty, either due to a hydraulic failure or servo loop failure. Amber dashes indicate they are retracted and faulty. And finally, two amber crosses signal that the spoiler status is transmitted as not valid from the FCDC bus. The up lock indication is displayed when the gear up lock is engaged with the gear down locked. It is not displayed in all other cases or when no valid data is available from either LGCIU. The gear doors are horizontal green when the door is in the uplocked position. They turn diagonal amber when the door is in transit. And they turn vertical amber when the doors are fully open. The landing gear indication is depicted as two green triangles, one for each gear. The left triangle is controlled by LGCIU1, and the right one is controlled by LGCIU2. One triangle on its own is sufficient to know that the gear is down. The indication turns red when the gear is in transit. When either LGCIU1 or 2 fails, the corresponding gear indication is replaced by two amber crosses. A green arc is displayed around the hottest wheel when the related temperature is greater than 100 degrees, and there is no overheat on the brake. The arc is displayed in amber when there is an overheat temperature that is greater than 300 degrees. The wheel number is displayed in white. The brake temperature values are green when in their normal range. The values are displayed from 0 to 995 degrees in steps of 5 degrees. They are displayed in amber when an overheat condition occurs. Nose wheel steering appears in amber when the nose wheel steering is lost or off. A green Y indication next to this means the yellow hydraulic system is available. And an amber Y indication means the yellow hydraulic system is unavailable. Landing gear control appears in amber when the landing gear lever and actual position do not agree. Anti-skid appears in amber when the anti-skid is off or lost. This is due to both BSCU channels being faulty, as transmitted by the SDAC. It appears in green if the anti-skid is available when any of the following messages appear in amber. 1. Auto brake. 2. Normal braking. 3. Alternate braking. Normal braking appears in green when the normal braking system is available and either auto brake or alternate braking appear in amber. The normal braking indication appears in amber when either 1. The anti-skid switch is off. 2. Both BSCU channels are faulty. 3. Normal braking system faulty. 4. Green hydraulic circuit pressure is low. Alternate braking appears in green when 1. In alternate braking mode. 2. Neither green or yellow hydraulic pressure are low. 3. The anti-skid switch is on. 4. Neither BSCU channel is faulty. 5. Either normal braking or auto brake is displayed. It appears in amber when either 1. An alternate braking release fault occurs, or 2. The yellow hydraulic and accumulator pressure are low. The accumulator pressure indication appears in green when either auto brake, normal braking, or alternate braking messages appear, combined with a yellow hydraulic low pressure. It appears in amber when the yellow accumulator undergoes low pressure. The accumulator only indication appears in green when there is yellow hydraulic low pressure and the alternate braking is pressurized by the accumulator. Finally, the auto brake indication appears in green when the auto brake is armed. This flashes green for 10 seconds after auto brake disengagement. It appears in amber when either 1. At least 2 spoilers are faulty. 2. The auto brake is faulty. 3. Both BSCUs are faulty. 4. The anti-skid switch is off or faulty. The selected auto brake mode, low, medium, or max, is displayed in green below this. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial on the wheel system display page.